riding on a donkey. Hey ho, hey ho, donkey riding, hey ho, away we go, riding on a donkey. My Cardiff Bay, where the folks shout hooray, back on with three must play, riding on a donkey. Hey ho, donkey riding, hey ho, away we go, riding on a donkey.
My name is Esbon Misera Kisuza. I hail from Buare area, and I've been trying to coach these children of Crusty Care. The children are very well disciplined. They have been working hard around the clock. We are very sure they are going to perform well. Though I've been having some problems with the voice 3, the baritone team. This is because I had few boys and I could not get those with the rich production. But this is because the school has first of all, they have divided the teams into various activities, the school teams. We have some who are going in for ball games, some who are going for scouting, some who are in for mashairi, some who are in for music. This has made it a little bit difficult, but they are trying their level best. We are very confident that when we go to the festivals, they'll perform well. The children are very much eager to perform well, and we are sure they will do it. Yes.